Good. As the hips drop down, take and wiggle your toes here. You can curl them under and lift them up a few times. Okay, then relax the feet and press down through the feet. Press down the very tip of your big toe, which will help lift the arches. Keep the arches lifted. Lift the hips. Hold here. From here, lift the heels up off the floor. Tap them down. Just lift and lower here. Notice if your weight, when you lift the heels up, shifts towards your pinky toe. It means you are heavily relying the outside of the legs and not the inside. So as you lift your heels up, I want you to press down through that big toe.